Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Communicative English BDU syllabus Unit 1 Types of Reading. So types of reading, it has two types of reading. One is oral reading, another one is silent reading. And before going to the deep into the class, please subscribe my channel, like, share and share with your friends. So types of reading: oral and silent. So silent reading is a focused reading, intensive reading and extensive reading. There are two types of reading: intensive and extensive reading. So intensive reading, it has two different levels: linguistics level and content level. And extensive reading, it has skimming, scanning. It's enough for that. And the furthermore thing is global reading. So what is oral reading? So silent reading and oral reading. So oral reading is the act of reading printed on written text aloud. It is often used by teachers to track measured students' overall reading ability, including reading accuracy, pronunciation, fluency, comprehension, and understanding of punctuation. So oral reading helps to make the student, or makes the reader to expert in pronunciation, intonation, glide, and punctuation marks, questions, or the general pass at the questions. So silent reading is a reading skill which allows one to read without any voicing the words. So silent reading helps us to read faster. So it helps makes faster connection between words and gives us the silence we need to concentrate and process information, what is happening in the text. So intensive reading is used on a shorter text in order to extract specific information. So intensive, it includes very close accurate reading for detail. Use intensive reading skills to grasp a detail of a specific situation, and in this case it is important that you understand each word and number the fact. So example for intensive reading is a bookkeeping report, an insurance claim, a contract. These things must have intensive reading, and in stock market claim and other important booking format also. So linguistic approach is reading is most used presented in a paper, phenomenically regular and fit in a particular situation. So children to perceive the phonemic grapheme sound sight relationship. The linguistic approach emphasizes the reading letters of the alphabet as the beginning procedure. So content reading area reading is most simply reading to learn. It encompasses all the skills abilities required for the students to read the complex information text found typically in social studies and science and mathematics. So extensive reading is used to obtain a general understanding of the subject. It includes reading a longer text for pleasure as well as business books. So these extensive reading skill used to improve our general knowledge of business procedures. Do not worry if you understand each word. So extensive reading is only for faster reading, fluency. So example for extensive reading: a latest marketing strategy book, a novel you read before going to bed, magazine articles that you interested. So you may not focus on vocabulary and other things, just grasp the idea or plot summary. So skimming and scanning. Skimming is used to quickly gather the important information or gist. So run over your eyes over the text, nothing important information and other things. So use skimming to quickly get up the speed on a current business situation. It is essentially to understand each word when skimming. So skip to grasp the whole idea in a short term period. You go very fastly in a reading. So examples of skimming reading: the newspaper, quickly to get general news of the day, and magazines, quickly discover which articles you would you like to read in more detail? Business and travel procedures, quickly to get informed. Scanning is used to find a particular piece of information. Run your eyes over the text, looking for the specific piece of information you need. You use scanning and on schedules, meeting planes, etc., in order to find the specific details you required. If you see words or phrase that you didn't understand, don't worry when scanning. So examples for scanning is the what is on TV section of your newspaper, a train, aeroplane schedule and conference guide. So thank you so much for watching this video. Share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will see in another video, special video. Thank you.